Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the brow tinting DIY. So I've been wanting to try it out for some time to see how it is, if it really does work. I saw so many videos that showed different reviews, and some were really good, some were like a total fail. So I wanted to try it out myself and see if it's good, and then obviously you guys can try it out as well. So I'm going to be using the Just for Men Mustache and Beard. Guess what? It's no longer just for men because we're trying that too. So for this, it says it takes like 5 minutes and you'll get a fuller look and it's thick and whatnot. So let's try it out. Now it comes with these little tubes. As to what I've been seeing and like the videos I've been watching, this could probably last you for about 2 weeks. And because of the size of the tubes and because you don't need so much, this could probably last you for like 3 months. So you could retouch it every 2 weeks, and yeah, it lasts you for 3 months. I think it's pretty good. I think I paid like $9 for this at my CVS, so it's very inexpensive if you think about it for the amount of times that you're gonna use it. And you try to do the math, like you're gonna be paying really cheap for this to get your brows tinted. I'm sure like right now the biggest deal has been around like $25 for brow tinting. So yeah, I mean, I'm not discrediting the professionals, but if you could do it at home, why not? Save you some money. So I'm going to be giving this a try. Let me see, it just brings like all of, instructions and whatnot. But I'm going to try just like a little bit of this, and I'm going to put it on here. So just like, I guess, I don't know, like, ooh, like this much. And then it says to do equal parts. So I'm going to try to get the same amount from this. So this is the natural color developer, and the green one is the color base. So that's the first one I put on. And this is the developer. So now we're gonna blend it together, and it comes with a brush, so you could kind of try it with that, but just so that I make sure it looks better, I'm gonna try it with that little brush. So let's mix it around. I really hope this comes out good, just because I've seen like so many reviews and most people are happy with it. I'm just scared I find a way to mess it up. So this is supposed to get dark, and it looks really light. I don't know if it's supposed to look this light. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this onto my brows. I'm gonna look at myself in the mirror just to make sure that I'm doing it really good. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna try to do it while having you guys here. So I'm not gonna get too much. Maybe, oh, I see. Oh guys, look, it's getting darker. Okay, so let me try. Oh wait, before I forget, make sure to use the coconut oil around your brows, just so that you don't get any dye like onto your skin, and then all of this is like purple. You don't want that. So I am gonna get some coconut oil. Ooh, that's a lot. And just put it all around my brows. Like, I think looks about right. Alright. So we have the coconut oil around our eyebrows, and I'm gonna get a spoolie to just kind of comb it through for them to look on fleek. There you go. I'm nervous. So get a little bit. You see, it is getting darker. Apply it to your brows as you would when you're just styling them, when you're doing your makeup, something just like that. guys, I'm still doing this, and it's crazy because you see it light here, but as soon as you apply it onto your eyebrows, it gets really dark. Can you guys imagine if it stays like this? No, I can't. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes. It typically says to leave it on for 5, but just because I have thicker brows, I think I should leave it on a little longer. I did see in a couple videos girls did the same. So we're gonna do it for 10 minutes and I will be right back as soon as I do, so we could see the end result. Wish me luck. Okay guys, so I am back and they look so dark, but I got a rag and I'm putting some shampoo on it just so that I could kind of wipe it off. Okay guys, so this is the end result. I'm actually pretty impressed. I'm really happy just because they do look much darker, but it looks natural. It doesn't look like how it looked a couple minutes ago. It looks really natural. Look at that. I like it. It's just like, I feel like you could just add your makeup on and that's it. You don't have to do your brows. Do you know how much time that's gonna save some of us? Like, I don't really take too much time doing my eyebrows, but I do have friends who take like 15 minutes just on their brows. So this would be so good for them to try out. Just brushing it out, making sure all like the product is out. What do you guys think? If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below if you've done it too, and what was your experience, because I do know that some people loved it and it looked so great on them, and I did see some videos that it was like a total fail, that it was like just not working out for them. So yes, please let me know in the comments down below because I want to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you next week Wednesday for our next video.